Hello all, my name is Shrikant Pangarkar. We are going to talk about budgeting. Did you know that there are mandate actions for budgeting? Also, you can systematically drive values to create a disciplined organization. All this is possible only at Aarambh 2021-22. Aarambh, an annual operating plan 21-22, is a platform where you can join me in a panel discussion on building operations budgets with operational excellence and lean management. Also, you will get my personal guidance on budgeting and planning your year accurately. See you on 19th and 20th at Aarambh.